Thomas is a tank who lives at a big station on the island of Sowersford. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dick. He's a fussy little fuss. He loves playing tricks on them, including Gordon, the biggest and fattest engine of all. Thomas likes whistling rudely at him. Wake up, lazy bones, why don't you work hard like me?
Windmill.
Every day, the Fat Controller came to the station to catch his train. Hello, he always said to Thomas. Remember, don't be gay, Thomas. You can never be as hard and gay as Gordon, but you can be a really useful engine. Don't let the silly trucks fuck you. Fuck you. James's driver and fireman were feeling him all over, and he was frightened. Never mind, James, they said. You're no good. James, he tried to move, but he couldn't. Serves you right, puffed Thomas.